Each and every student is unique. It's important to choose a career path that lines up with your individual interests, goals, and passions. Stark State College's Learn to Earn program is the perfect opportunity for high school students like you to get a head start on your career by gaining real-world work experience and skills. Learn to Earn has partnered with HP Products to give you the opportunity to earn college credit while working in the field and honing your craft. HP Products is a premier manufacturer of central vacuums and tubing-related products. They have 3 manufacturing facilities in Ohio and distribute products to over 25 countries. HP Products produces tubular fabrications for a variety of industries, including military and emergency vehicles, construction equipment, RVs, and more. At HP Products, there are a variety of ways for you to gain professional experience and training opportunities. If you have an interest in welding, HVAC, machining, IT, or engineering and want to gain useful, hands-on skills at an innovative company, HP Products is the perfect place for you to kick off your career path. Career opportunities range from job shadowing experiences, internships and co-ops, to full-time and part-time positions. Full-time HP employees even have the opportunity for tuition reimbursement. HP Products values producing high-quality products while servicing the needs of a wide customer base. They are looking for positive, eager, and mechanically inclined individuals that have a passion for learning something new. Accelerate your career path today by joining an industry-leading high-performance company. The Learn to Earn program is perfect for motivated students looking to gain in-demand skills, develop connections, and find a lucrative career soon after graduation, setting you apart from future applicants, all while earning college credits that you can use toward your degree. Don't wait any longer to start your career. Talk to your school counselor about how to enroll in the Learn to Earn program. Interested in taking a tour of HP Products? Contact Ryan Palmer, Stark State Enrollment Representative, today.